Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to go over the particulars on the Mercedes-Benz Dashcam and tell you all about it. The good news about that is that you don't have to go with a real high-end Mercedes-Benz model such as an S-Class, even though that's what I'm sitting in today. You can have this feature added to any of the modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles that are out there. Real quick, couple of things. Number one, you're going to need a memory stick like this, a USB-C type memory stick, and it's going to need to be between 128 and 256. You definitely want to go for the larger, and then you can plug it in right here if you want to, or you can plug it in right here in the center console. So the option is up to you on that. So let's go ahead and go in here. I'm going to show you how to find the dash cam. You're going to look under apps. And no matter what model you have of a Mercedes-Benz, this is where you're going to go. It may be a different look on your infotainment screen, but you're going to go to apps, and then you're going to go to Dashcam. And when you go into this area, there's a couple of things you might want to see. You can do loop recording, which means it's just going to record until the memory stick is full, and then it will start recording again over previous files. So just be aware of that in case that's something you want to do. You may want to save some files. You can also do individual recording. You can go in and make some changes here. If you want to go in, you have automatic loop recording. So basically what it amounts to is if that's turned off, then once the memory stick is full, it's going to stop recording. So just a simple little tip to know about right there. And to start recording, well, it's really pretty simple. All you have to do is push right here. But let's get out on the road and get some footage so I can show you exactly how this works. Okay, we're going to get out on the road here, and real quick before we get out on the road, I'm going to hit start recording, and what you're going to see is that you don't see what's going on necessarily on the screen, but that's okay, not a big deal. You don't need to have that work. And just to answer a couple of questions real quick, you can go in on the screen and watch the videos. I'll show you how to do that after we take our quick little drive here just to get some footage for you. And as far as the image size, the video size, we're looking at 1280 by 720p recorded in 30 frames per second. So it has a good image quality, nice and bright. That's definitely going to be very visible on this nice, bright Louisiana sunny day. The only downside here is that you have to turn it on every time you get in the vehicle. So if you were wondering about that, no, it doesn't turn on automatically. I'm not sure why Mercedes-Benz doesn't give you that option. I'm sure there's a specific reason for that, but it's just something to be aware of. I know people are going to ask in the comments about that. Now, you can end the recording if you want to by simply selecting that option there on the screen, or when you turn the ignition off, it's automatically going to stop recording. Now, if we could just get it to start re-recording automatically when you get back in and turn the ignition back on. And we'll go ahead and end the recording right here, and then we're going to go right here. This is how we come in and look at what we have recorded. You can watch it live here on your screen if you need to. Whatever you're doing makes it real simple. That's how it works. Now, to go back, pretty simple, we're going to hit back right there. And if you wanted to delete a file, for example, I'm going to delete this file. There's what I do. I just select the trash can up there, delete video. Yes, we're going to do that. I'm going to also delete this one. We'll give you a better look right here. That's what we're going to do. It's so simple to deal with, so easy to figure out. You almost don't need this tutorial, but for those who are wanting that, well, there you go. There is your tutorial on the dash cam. So you can see the information on what we have as far as connected devices go. Hopefully you can see that okay. But you can see that all I did was select here in the middle to see what we have as far as the USB goes, the memory stick goes, and what our connected device is, and how much space we have left. If you need to know about that, that's pretty easy to deal with, and we just X out of that, and there you go. If there's something that I didn't answer, a question that you have, drop that question down in the comment section and I will be happy to answer it for you. If there's another Mercedes-Benz tutorial you want to see, let me know about that and I can make that for you as well. Thanks for taking the time to watch. As always, I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you would like to learn about additional vehicles, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.